So the New York City Scrum User Group formed in October of 2010. Tonight, we're moving the group to its third location. We're going to be in the IBM Design Lab for the first time. Here in the IBM Design Lab, we do Scrum. And there's a real interest in getting more involved in the larger Scrum community or Agile community. And offering up our space as the venue for our monthly meetings is a great way to do that. It's a good way for Scrum practitioners in New York to learn about what we're doing here. Possibly even get excited about working with us. Agile is a philosophy that advocates for incremental and iterative development. More and more often we see Agile methods being applied to non-technical work. Here in the Design Lab we're working on digital marketing projects primarily and are applying Agile methods to the delivery of the products of those projects, where we're delivering those products incrementally and iteratively over the course of a project. I would say, by far the most popular Agile method is Scrum, which is what we practice here in the IBM Design Lab and is obviously what the New York City Scrum User Group is all about and focused on. In Scrum, we call iterations sprints. And here in the Design Lab, in the general case, teams are working in 2-week sprints. So what that means is that all the teams here in the lab are producing increments of working product, whatever that may be, at the end of every 2-week sprint. Another benefit of holding the user group here is that IBMers, those of us working in the IBM Design Lab, meet with other Scrum practitioners from the area. It's not just us practicing Scrum. There's a vibrant community of people from all sorts of different organizations and industries as well. I think one of the things I'm excited to share with the members of our group is just how we've set this space up.
I think for one, you look around at the lab and you look at the way that it's set up and all the teams, and you can immediately look out the window and see everything we're talking about in action. It's been built from the ground up to support Agile teams, primarily Scrum teams. And I think it's a really inspirational place to come and see it in action.
I think it's beautiful. I like the triangular shape of this room. I think it helps a lot. It keeps us together. There is a lot of space here and opportunities to collaborate in the open space. Also on Monday I had the pleasure of having a personal tour with Rob here. I love the open space and how the teams are sitting, and overall IBM Design Lab's Agile implementation, it just sounds good. Every single presentation here, including today's one, I enjoyed. So it's a wonderful opportunity.
It's been critical for my growth as an Agile professional. I had worked at a Wall Street firm and had been exposed to, I'll call it a very homegrown, somewhat idiosyncratic Agile practice.
It helps me a lot because each time it's a different perspective, and whatever I learned here, I bring it back to Kaplan Agile community. It has been promoting networking, knowledge sharing, and we've got practical results from it.